So, am I audible, students? The students who are in the online, am I audible? So, confirm it, all of you. Fine. So, let us start the discussion of continuation of previous class. Okay. What was our last class discussion? Quickly. So, we need to go for modules. What is the purpose of modules? To reuse the functions, variables, and classes across the programs. Functions are used for what? To reuse the operations within the same program. Okay. Functions provides an operation and can be reused within the same program. Who will do that? Functions can do. To reuse across the programs, I will go for what? Modules. So last class, we have a very biggest discussion on that part. And coming to this place, modules there. And in that, introduction to the types of modules. So there, introduction and the types of modules. What is the purpose of the module? What is the definition of the module? Types of the modules and predefined, and then what? Programmer defined. And we learned in the class about steps for development of what? Modules. To develop any programmer defined module, we must take programmer defined functions. We must define the variable names and we must define the classes. And in the IDE, define the above things and save them in some file name. We save them in some file name with an extension called what? .py. Internally, once we consider the file name .py as module name, the Python environment, execution environment creates a folder automatically on the name of what? __pycache. And it contains file name .cpython-310.pyc. Okay, it's an important, guys. Fine. This is one internal folder which contains these many number of file names with an extension .pyc, which is called cpython-310. This is what we learned in the previous session. And at the same time, we discussed one more topic also, number of approaches to reuse modules. How many approaches are there? 2 approaches. One is by using import statement. One more by using from import statement. Okay. With import statement, we learned everything. We access the variable names and everything with respect to module name. And we told you number of approaches, 4 syntaxes I told you, single module, multiple modules. And after that, we are going to talk about module name alias name alias name. And by using from import, we can access everything without using any module name or alias name. Okay. Syntax number 1, syntax number 2, everything is done. Shall we go for the next one? Yes. So write down one small example. First one small example. Later we go for the biggest one. Write a Python program. Come on, students, all of you, open your notes. Write a Python program which will accept the list of names, which will accept the list of names from the keyboard, which will accept the list of names from the keyboard, which will accept the list of names from the keyboard, and sort them in ascending and descending order. And sort them in ascending and descending order. Sort them in ascending and descending order. Sort them in ascending and descending order by using modules. Say by using modules. Fine. So, coming to the point of this is what we discussed in the previous session. All those things. Now we'll go for example part in today's class. Look at, students, very simple. Samir Kumar You need to listen more during I am explaining. Samir, program for, I'm writing here, program for accepting list of names and sort them in both, what is this, ascending and descending order by using what? Modules. Okay, students? Yeah. Come on to the point of it. Sort names. Sort names not what? Py. Sort names dot py. Straightforward. Says that what, ma? File name and what? Acts as, very good. Module name. What is the module name actually? Sort names dot py is a module name, no doubt. How it is internally represented? It is an FAQ. It is an MCQ actually. Come on, they will give you a file name. How it is treated as a module name internally? What is the module name you can take? Sort names. Come on, ma. Sort names dot C Python hyphen 310 dot what? Yes, that point you must remember, guys. That point you must remember. So sort dot py, and I am giving that type of things. I hope you are getting my point. Access module name. This is called a module name here. Yes. Now coming to the point of it. Now I am going to write this logic. So once it is a module, compulsory I must write what? Once it is a module, compulsory I should write what inside? Function I should write. Right or not? What is the definition of module? Collection of variables, functions, but not only statements. So I have to write statements for sorting. Those statements I have to write in where? Function I need to write. So DEF. Come on, what is this now? Sort names. No problem. Sort names. I will take directly sort names. So inside of the sort names, if you want, you can follow that. What I am doing now, for example, you want to take it as any list in that, you can take it. What is the list in that? I can say, I will make a little bigger one. What I am doing now? DEF. What is this now? Read names. Read what? Names. Come on, read names. Now I am asking, can I take the names? Tell me, how do you take it? LST is equal to str of names for names data. Come on. Input names for names in input of split off like this. I say there, print enter. What is this? List of names separated by space. Already you have seen, na? What is this concept is called? List comprehension. Already explained? Explained or not? List comprehension. Okay, students, say written what? LST. Written? Very good. Come on to the point back. I say short names, I will call this function. Which one I am going to call? Come on, what names is equal to? Come on, read names. Read. That means this function is calling which function? Read names. So read names function is going to be calling in the sort names. I do what here? Don't try to get confused here. I say display names is another function. What I am passing there? Names. I am passing what? Names. What is the display function? See, DEF display of what? Names. I write there print of I say 50. I am writing there for name in names print of \t dot format of name. Okay, so else I will say, I say this. Just you will understand why Sir is writing display. You will understand after 2 minutes. So how many functions I am writing, my dear students? 3 functions I am writing. Those functions are calling from where? Sort names. Read names. Names as coming. Return. Reading the names and then returning that values. Okay. Display names. This is called what, ma? Print original names. Original names. Okay. Then I got it. Original names means what? Calling this type of function, display. If you want to test it, you can test it once more. Once you test it, please go to the modules, try to save it. Here, I am just calling the main program. I am just testing. What I am going to call just sort names. That's it. Only one function I am calling. Sort names function is calling which function? It will go to read lines, reading the values and returning the values and then sending to which function? Display names. Display names will printing the data. Are you following? Very good. Let us execute my program now. Coming to the command prompt, E:/cd caviar python here. Save 4 p.m. Save here modules here. Yes, please. Coming to the point back. Here I am going to say py say sort names. What is this? Fine. Sort names. It is remove that. No problem. Come on to the point of it. Enter the names separated by what? Space. So I say sort names. I'll take my online students' names. So Lakshmi, I will enter here. LAKSHMI Lakshmi. And I say next I will take, so Babani. There is one student, Babani. Next is called what, Brahmani. Okay, I will give your name. I am remembering. Brahmani. Next is called what? So only girls, 33% reservation today. So next, Renuka. Okay, Renuka. Next, something like Shravani. Next, Samihan. Okay. Samihan is girl or boy? The boy cancelled. Karishma. Okay, ma. Karishma. Okay, enough. Okay, Usha. Okay. Okay, don't tell all the names. Karishma is boy. Samihan. Okay, boy you are. Okay, that's why even offline student said boy. I cancelled you. So girls. Okay. So my favorite student, Ganesh Verma, is always my favorite. Day by day is coming to Guinness Book record also. He is my favorite student. No doubt in that. So I will remember him. See that it is going to give you some error. Display names not defined. Display names not defined here, it is saying. Look at students, display name. Some mistake or something is happening, you see. Only display I said. Here display names I said. Here my function name is display names, but here I took it as what? So either you take it as display names or display in both the places. Now you execute, my dear students. Yes. Right? See students, original names. What Ganesh Verma, am I correct? Huh? You are my favorite student or not? Ganesh Verma. So this is what I entered. In the same order they are coming. They are coming in the same order. So now I want to go for what? Sorting the data. I want to sort the data. Right? I want to sort the data. Fine. So, okay, thank you, sir, is later. I am asking you, are you my favorite student or not? That's why you ask very good questions, okay? Come on now. I will go for what now? Sort names. Now I will go for what? Sort names. Original order is defined. Now I will go for what? Now sort it. Can you sort it? Huh? Come on, sort it. Don't see the chat window. Answer my question. You are just watching like how they are, your WhatsApp window, how they are chatting like that. You are waiting for it. Come on, ma. So come on to the point of it. Which function I need to use? So names is what type? Names is returning what? LST, na? So I need to go for what? Sort the names. Sort the names. In which order, ma? Ascending order. Ascending order. Please tell me how do you do it? Names dot. Names is what type? Names is what type? First of all, list. List only contains which function? Sort. What is the Boolean reverse value by default? Reverse value by default. Online students will answer. Reverse value by default. False. Reverse value by default false. Reverse value by default false is equal to false, which is as good as limit easy to sort ascending order or not. Whenever I say reverse is equal to true, that time it is coming in descending order. Did you remember that I explained two things? Right. By default, reverse is equal to what? So you need not write that I said. Okay. Once you say this names not sort, display names again. So I will print here. What is that, ma? Sorted names. Sorted names I am saying. Sorted names. In which order? In which order, ma? Ascending order. In which order? Ascending order. Okay, students. See, display names, original time, I have to write the code for this for first time. Again, I am writing display names for second time also. So I am reducing my code or not? By going for the function name, one time I am writing, many times I am going to reuse again and again. Now see, I am going to give you this. See these students, enter the names. I got it. So I got the names. This is the names we got it. Now I am going to use what? Sorted names in which order? Ascending order. Now I will print in which order next? Please tell me how can I reverse it, ma? Names dot sort of reverse is equal to true. For which purpose, ma? Very good. For descending order purpose, students. For descending order. Okay. Descending order. Okay, students. For descending order purpose, I am going to take. Okay. Now tell me display names of what? Names. Again, I am saying names. See, 3 times I don't want to write this same code again and again. I am writing one time and I am calling this function again and again now. Let us go to that. See that here you see, enter the names of the students. So I got it. Original order. Sorted order. I got it in reverse format. I got it in this reverse order. Did you understand, students? This is by using what mechanism? This is using by mechanism of normal coding. I am not writing any sort of function name. Main program I am not writing. See, this is not going to execute. See, this is not going to give any result. This I developed for what purpose? For your common purpose I developed. I told to my team members, anybody who is interested, please call my program and you can get the result from anywhere else. Right? I will go to next program. Next program you go. Yes, I am going to next program. Tell me, sort demo. Sort names demo.py. Tell me guys, what is the function name I am calling? That's it. This is called what, my dear students? Function call. Only function call. Will it execute? Will it execute, ma? No. It won't execute, my dear students. It won't execute. Sort names dot. It will never execute. Because the PVM is looking for function call whose definition will look into the same program only. Yes or no? We'll look into the same program only. Go to the place and try to check it. py, I say py, sort names demo.py. So it is getting an error. Names, sort names is not defined. Name error is coming. Name error. Go back. I say, now tell me, can I reuse this sort name function anywhere else in my project? By using what? Module name. So module name, how can I reuse? By using how many approaches? 2 approaches. Please tell me, import sort names. You see, my dear students, sort names.py is a file name, acts as what? My function name is also called what? Same thing. It doesn't make any difference there. Sort names is module name. Sort names is a function. How can I call it? First approach, you have to call its belongings with respect to the name. How do you call the module name, ma? Sort names dot. Sort names like a calendar dot calendar. Understand? Execute, ma. See how simple it is. Please execute this program. Sort demo. See that, enter the names separated by, I will say here something like, I will say some name is added, Srusti. I added some name is added. Original names are like this. I added some new name and sorted names after that. You are getting the data like that. You are getting, this is called which data? Ascending order I have to print. I need to write one word there. See students, let us go back. I'm printing which order? This is ascending order is done. Here I will say students, what is this, ma? Print sorted names in which order, ma? Descending order. Okay. Now you execute your program, please. List of names separated by this. Names in descending order. Names in ascending order. Original order is done. Understand? Now see students, in this case, sort names dot sort names. Instead of that, sort names yes. So I'm going to write it what, ma? Yes dot. What is that yes is called? Alias name it is called. Save this code, ma. Save this code. Execute it. Save the names. I got it. Same answer. Okay. Dear students, I don't want to write alias name. I prefer much time. Come on, fast, ma. Sort names as what? Sort name. Import. What is that? Sort names. They will try to confuse you by saying these words. What is the sort names? Module name. What is this sort names? Function name. See that? Sort names is a module name. Sort names is what? Function name. Here you see. Sort names is called what now? Module name. And sort names is called what? Function name. From where? Sort names module. What is my function name? I am calling my function name. Understand? Yes. How it recognizes? After from. Whatever is calling, that is called what? Module name. Import after that. From import after import what is coming? That is called what? Function name. Easy. Execute it, ma. Execute it. Say this now. So something like, so I will write something like Jalan. So I will get it. Something like this. What is happening? So, yes, comma I give. So you try to execute once. I say space. I got it. The names, original names are like that. And this is the one I got it. And this is the one sorted names in descending order. Like this we got it. Are you following me? And I can give the function name as what? Sn. Yes, Sn. What is that Sn? Alias name for what? Function name. Alias name as function name. Okay. Very good. Execute. Something like what Sonali, I say like this. I got it like this. This is the information I got it. Later it was executed like this. Understandable, students? So this is the one. How to prepare this as a library? This is what I defined my module. Na? This module where it has to work. In my command prompt also it has to work. Go to the place. What is this now? Tell me, students. From, what is that? Sort names. Import. What is my function name? Sort names. It will give error. What is that error, please? Not found error. See, ma, from math, import sqrt. It is working or not? That means Python people made their libraries as universal. How do you make your libraries also universal? It's a gunshot question in interview. I will explain through what packages. Modules will give you the mechanism of program to program access. Cannot give the accessibility across the environments. That is what environment? Python programming environment. That I want to access in where? Python command prompt. Not possible to access. To access everywhere else. To access everywhere else. To access everywhere else across your environments. I must go for what? API development. Library, how to prepare it. I will explain the concept of what? Packages. Packages extension is what? Packages extension of modules extension is what? Functions extension is? Modules extension is? Keep in mind all these things. Try to speak about it. So this type of environment, we are going to use it. So this environment, suppose I did this example in my class, for example, my dear students, look at that. I did this example in my system. It is there in the Naresh IT mission. This I want to use it into your mission also from the home. You need not write the same code. I will prepare a library, I will upload in the Google Drive class. You will download just like a Python software downloading. Are you getting? After that, you will call my function directly. Understanding or not? How to do that? I will explain through packages. So modules extension is packages. Functions extension is modules extension is. Once you learn packages, we are ready to use our programs of any class anywhere else across the universe. That is called the distribution of the libraries in the industry. Right? Coming to the point of it, Pavan Salve, simple ma. This is called a written LST. I am reading the list of values. I am reading line number 5. This was already explained, ma. Pavan Salve, this was already explained. So I did so many examples on this. Reduce function, filter function, map function. So many examples I did defined. Na? So, yes, ma, Ranjan. Whether it is C drive or D drive or K drive or any Ranjan drive or any drive, I can access anywhere else. Ranjan, tomorrow I am going to deal with the packages. That time C na, D na, E na, F or Z, whatever the drive you like it. Hyderabad or India or Pune or Bangalore, USA, anywhere else you can access. That is called the concept of what? That is called the concept of what? Packages. So that is going to be most important explanation I will give you. Most important explanation I will give you. Okay? Fine. So let us go Atish, this is called comment. This is called comment. What I said, this symbol is for comment. Right. Fine. So extensions means nothing, ma. PYC you don't know. Ganesh Verma, dot PYC you don't know. Not getting extensions means dot PYC. It is containing bytecode. Where I explained, when you are a small kid in my Python class, I was explained that. Maybe you forget your childhood days, but I am remembering my childhood days. Right. So anyhow, shall we continue? That's why Ganesh Verma is my favorite student. Fine. So coming to the first class only we discussed. So this is called what? I reused it by giving some type of what? Alias name and all those things. SN alias name. This is called one simple example I set. So like that from now onwards, when I want to distribute my code across the programs, I must go for what? Modules I need to go for it. Shall we go for one more example? Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. So let me give you a bigger example. Write a Python program which will calculate little bit fast, ma. Which will calculate all types of arithmetic operators, all types of arithmetic operations with menu driven. Write a Python program which will calculate all types of arithmetic operators by using modules with menu driven application. Already we have very good knowledge, very good awareness about the menu driven application. Do you remember menu driven application? Where I taught that? Ma? Very good match case concept I said. Yes, sir. Yes, ma, Srikar. In match case concept I said that. In match case concept I said that. Right or not? So what I am looking, my dear students, look at that. I am looking this type of thing. Arithmetic operations. See ma? Arithmetic operation. I will go for writing this code in different way. So we are slowly entering into the how to develop any type of real-time application very, very easily. Okay, number one is called what? Addition. Number two, logics are old only, but we are going to make our application to be a building, logic building one, how to prepare as a bundle of the programs. Next is called what? Subtraction. Third one is called what? Multiplication. Fourth one is called what? Division. Inside the division, I will do what? Floor division and normal division, both of them I will do. Fifth one, I can do what? Modulo division. I can say modulo division. Next, sixth one, I will take it. Exponentiation. And I will take the last one is, seventh one is exit. Seventh one is exit. This is called my menu. So I need to design this. First of all, I need to design this part. Shall I start? Yes. So this is called a menu, looking like a menu. This is known as a menu. So how to develop this? Please look at that, my dear students. To design this menu, I will take it as what? AOP menu. What are the files required? File names required for implementing this program. What is the first one? AOP menu.py. So this is I am handovering to one student. This designing I am handovering to one student. I said design. So he will write which code? AOP.menu. And I am handovering one more student, write the logic for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. That is called what? AOP.py. Are you understanding? Arithmetic operations. I mean to say AOP operations, arithmetic operations.py. So in that operations file, what I will do? Addition logic, subtraction logic, other logics they will define. Understand, my dear students? And I will write one main program also. I hand over to one person designing the menu. One more student I hand over the operations logic. One more person will do main program logic he will do. AOP demo.py. That is called a main integration module I am going to take. So first I will design what now? Come on, go to the program now. See how simple it is. I will write it. From here onwards, lot of code changes will come like anything. Come on, students. Tell me what should I do? Come on, ma. It is called which one? File name and acts as module name. Okay, students. Come on, ma. I say DEF module means function compulsory. Don't ask me, sir, I will write some statements I will write inside. Can I reuse? Statements we cannot reuse. Variables you can reuse. Functions I can reuse. Class names I can reuse, but I cannot reuse statements. Understanding? Come on, go to that now. DEF. What is my function name? Menu. What I am doing to do? Come on. I say star of what? 50. Print of what? What is my menu? What is my menu here, please? My menu is called what? Arithmetic operations. My menu is called what? Arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations. So I will go for taking arithmetic operations, something like this. So I will take something like, I will just like this, I want to take it. So I'm taking something like this type of point also. So I'm going to take like this. Print of backslash t, say what? 1. Come on, students. Addition. Next, please. Print of what? Backslash t. What is this? 2. What is this, ma? Subtraction. Okay, next I will take it, please. 3 backslash t is called 3. Multiplication. Multiplication. Okay. Next I will go for what? Print of what? Backslash t 4. 4. What is this now? Division. Division. In the division part, I do 2 operations. Okay. Print of what here? Backslash t 5. What is this now? Modulo division. Modulo division. Okay. Print of what? Backslash t 6. What is this? Exponentiation. 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 Print of what here? Backslash t is called what? 7 is called exit. Okay. Done. Now to see students save this one. See that I say, see ma, I will go to this place, modules. I'll create one small folder here because I will take it here. One small folder I am taking. Case 1. First case example I am going to take because bundle of files are coming now. So you will get confused when I supply the program separately. So I will send that entire folder for you. In that folder, everything is available. Okay, sir, my module, this file is over with this designing. Now I will write it now just slowly. Main program I will start. See students, I will start the main program. Yes, sir. This is called what? Main program. Where I am integrating other Python programs or not? What is my menu function name? Quickly. What is my function name? Belongs to which module? Yeah, come on, save this program once. Try to save this code now. Try to save this code. Coming to this place, CD. Case 1 is my folder name I kept separately. Yes, sir. PYAOP demo. It is an error. Menu is not defined. But where was the menu, please? From AOP menu, import menu. Menu is called one function or not? Yes, please understand. Now my menu is ready. My menu is ready. Students in the online, are you getting, my dear students? Up to here, are you understanding? Yes, very easy. Good. So, coming to the point. Here I need to go for giving you what? Message. Enter your choice. Enter your choice. So, coming to the point back, here I am going to say, after that, I need to take the choice. What is the choice, ma? Look at. Enter your choice. If my choice is 1, do which operation? If my choice is 4, division. If my choice is 6, exponentiation. If my choice is 1, like that. If my choice is 7, I will say, thanks for using this program. I will come out of that. Okay. So I will write what? I will write this programming. What is that, please? CH is equal to, say, quickly. CH is equal to input int of input of enter your choice. Enter your choice. Understand, ma? Enter your choice. Okay. What is my choice? It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It can be 8 also. It can be 20 also. Okay. Start. The pre-designed conditions are there. If if else, if if match case. Match case. Match case is meant for pre-designed conditions. Already I have pre-designed conditions. I need to go for it. I can use if also I can use, but better to use what? Okay. Match case of what, my dear students? CH. Come on, ma. Case 1. Okay. What is case 1? I will take care. Don't worry. case 2, don't worry, I'm writing case 2, don't worry, I'm writing here pass, come on, fast. Case 3, what do you do? Pass. Case 4, pass. Case 5, I will take care, I will write pass. Case 6, pass. Case 7, I say print off, thanks for using this program. Thanks for using this program. I say, next I am saying that, come on students, sys dot exit off. What is sys? Module. What is exit? Function. So say what? Come on students, import sys. You know modules already. Sys is what? Module. Are you following? Backside student. No. Middle person. You are adjacent student. Are you following? You are seeing somewhere, you are thinking somewhere. I felt that you are thinking somewhere. Am I correct? Correct na? Where? Inside Amirpet or US somewhere else? Thinking about Russia and Ukraine battle? Not like that. Thinking about? Yes, okay. Yes, this is what? Module. This is module. Like FUNC tools is a predefined module. We use reduce function or not? Like that, this is what? Module. Predefined module or programmer defined module? So exit is used for what? Killing the program process. If I use a break, it will come out of what? Loop. But I did not use so far loops, na? I use what? Yes, break statement is the logical termination of the program. Comes out of the loop and execute other statements. When I say exit, what will happen? It totally comes out of the program flow. Understand? Okay. So coming to this pass statement, I wrote it. After a few minutes, you will come out of what is the pass? What is the pass? Is a keyword. Makes the PVM to understand. Not to execute the indentation block. Ignore the indentation block. That is called what statement? Okay. Now let us start this. And one more I will write it, my dear student. One more. My case is what? 1 to 7 I need to enter. I enter 124. It is coming to default case block or not? Yes, please. What is this now? Your selection of operation is, come on, is wrong. What is this now? Try again. Try again means I have to execute again or not? Again I have to show the menu. Will you show the menu once again? What should I write it? Not executing. That indicates that not executing. I should write this entire thing inside of where? While true. See how beautiful logic it is today. While true, first time true. What is this? Menu. Enter your choice. I said that 124. 124 of CH. Not matching. Case of this, your selection of operation is wrong. Try again. It will go to the while loop once again or not? Menu will be shown once again. Your selection of operation is 7. You are exiting. Simply come out of the program flow. Let me execute this once, my dear students. Execute ma. And see that how beautiful this logic is. PY. Yes. Enter your choice. I say my choice is 345. See that your selection of operation is wrong. Try again. Enter your choice. Something like -2. Your selection of operation is wrong. Try again. Are you following? I will enter your operation is 2. 2 means what? 2 is equal to 2. What is this? Pass means nothing will come. Like when I am asking the question, you will say pass. So when you say pass, no other things will be compared. Simply it comes out of it and then going to where again? Loop is there na? Because you are inside of what? Don't forget that you are inside of what? While look. Come on to the point. When you go to the ATM machine, it is going to be first transaction is done, second transaction, cancel or continue. When you say continue, again it will show the options or not. When I say cancel, it is going to call internally sys.exit. Your card will come out. Understand? Okay. Very good. Now say this smart 2, no operation is done because you did not call anything. Now say last and final 567, your selection of operation is wrong, try again. I say 7, thanks for using this program, comes out of it. Now I'm going to write it. Students in the online, are you comfortable, students? Are you comfortable, students? Quickly, right? Are you perfect with this while loop? While of true means see online, offline students. Are you okay? What is the use of that while true? Continuously it is showing the menu. Very good. Come on to students. Now I will go for, now I made everything ready. In further, I will tell you one more. What I will tell you? This same program, I will ask you, I will give this access to only few people who are authorized. I will provide the password feature also for this. I will provide the password facility also I will provide. Wait for a few more minutes. I will do that part of it. Okay, students, let us go. Now I will go to this point. See my example. Here I say, okay, sir. Now I will go to which program? Operations to be carried out or not? Yes, go. I will take it this as something like others. Say Python. I say my program name is operations.py. Tell me, what should I do? DEF, add OP, pass. DEF, what is this now? Sub OP, pass. I will write a DEF, MULOP, I say pass. I will write a DEF, DIVOP, I say pass. Next DEF, what is this? Mod OP, I say this colon pass. I'm taking how many functions you see? Expo OP of what pass? Now I will write the logic. Can I write the logic now? Come on, A is equal to float of, come on students. Input of enter first value for addition. Which operation I am using, that also I am taking into consideration. Right, students? B I am taking enter the second value for this, I say B. Okay, students, I say here, come on, sum of okay is equal to dot format of A comma B comma A plus B. Okay, this is called the beautiful logic for which function? Add OP. Similarly, I say go to that, say AB, enter the first value for what? Yes, subtraction. Enter the second value for what? Subtraction. Second value for subtraction, I say what here? B. Come on, A minus B. Beautiful. Come on, next I will go for the same logic. I go for this. I say here, I say, what is this now? Multiplication. I say here, I say second value for multiplication. Beautiful. Say here what? MUL of, what is this now? MUL of, I say, A star B. Good. I say next one, I will go for it. I will take this part of it. I am saying, very simple, What is this now? Division I am taking. Yes, another type of division I am taking. You do two varieties of divisions now by yourself. So you already aware of it. What is this now? Single slash. What is this operation, please? DIV. Another one also I will take it. What is this? Floor division of what? A double slash B. Okay. Modulus of it, now I will take it. Modulus operation, I will take it. A and B, I will take it. I say here, see that value for what? Modulo division. Modulo division. So same, next one is called same thing. Okay, coming to the point of it here, I say here, modulus of it, as I say here, what? Percentage. Fine, guys. Last and final, I will take it. What is the next one, ma? Yes, I will take it. As you are already aware of it, A and B only I will take it, ma. I will take it. Enter the value of A for what? Instead of that thing, I can say enter base. A to the power of m, a to the power of n, like that, na? Enter what? Yes. Enter power. That is good terminology. I say exponentiation, exp of A star star B. A star star B. Understand? How many functions I defined? 6 functions I defined. And 2 of them I carried out in the same place only. Okay, students? Right, ma? See, this is called what name? File name. And what acts as what name? Module name. Acts as module name. Super. Come on to the back. Come on to the back. I say save this code. Okay, students. Come on to the main program. You come. Now you call. Yes, please tell me what should I do? I forget. Add OP. Okay, now. Case 1, what do you do? Add OP. Next, please. Very good. Sub OP. Next, please. Yes. MUL OP. Next, please. DIV OP. Next, please. Modulus OP. MOD OP. Okay. Next, 6. Expo OP. Expo OP. What a good logic. This is designed by somebody. This is designed by somebody. Everything I am going to bifurcate my logics to different people. So parallel development can take place. At the end of the day, I will integrate my project. Understanding, students? So come on to the point of it. I said add OP, sub OP, multiplication OP, everything is done. Beautiful. Come on, students. Execute now. Go. Come on. AOP. Enter your choice. Error will come now. Error will come now. Add OP is not defined. Why? Because I did not. Come on, tell me the error. I did not import. Very good. Good understanding. Come on, say. From AOP operations. AOP operations. That is called what here? This is the place. AO operations, arithmetic operations is my file name. File name. Which file we have to save in module? I am not getting this. Ganesh Verma, Seema here. Operations.py is a file name. Acts as module name. Here you see. AOP menu is a file name. Acts as a module name. So why you did not get it? Sir, which file we have to save in module? Every file name is a module name, na? Please understand. Please try to understand. Okay. Come on. AOP operation. From AOP operation. Come on. Import. Star. Why star? Actually, import star I am using in class, but they won't recommend you to do it in the industry. I have to say ADDOP, comma, sub OP, comma, MUL OP, comma, DIV OP, mod OP, Expo OP. This is a way to write it. But since I am using everything, I can write star, no problem at all. Okay, students. Come on, here I say execute ma. See that no module operation. Operations. 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 That's why I'll copy this and I will paste it. So there is no difficulty for me. So AOP operations. I'll just copy that. So there is no tension at all. Fine, students, execute. Ready. What is your choice? 2. Enter the first value for subtraction 23. Second value for subtraction 22.3. I got the answer. Sub of 20.3 comma 2 is equal to 20.7. See that menu is showing again. Come on, what is our operation? 1, 4 and 5. I got 4 and 5 is called 9.0. Next. Division 4. Samir Kumar. Now only exit. Try to play with something. So say something like 10, 100. Say something like 30. So you are going to get 3.3333 etc. 3.0 division. This is fully coefficient is coming. It is only one integer part is coming. Okay. Now 6. Say something like 4 and then say something like 5. 4 to the power of 5 is equal to 10 to the power of 4. I am getting this data. Are you okay? Understanding, students? I say next enter your choice 345. 345 no case labels are matching. It will just go to this. Your selection of operation is wrong. Try again. Your selection of operation is wrong. Try again. Arithmetic operations. Okay. Now I will say what? 7. 7 means what? Like this. Easy or difficult? Easy. Very, very easy. So you can start writing with this knowledge. Of course, when I come to database, you can develop any good project you can develop. ATM project, I will develop it. You will develop with a different technology, you will develop it. Okay, na? So once we learn Python, we should be able to write a good coding. Okay, na? Right. So just now, whether you are, of course, don't feel that I'm boasting about it. Right, Rocky, I'm going to tell databases also. It's there in our class. We are going to discuss. 2 databases I'm going to discuss. One is a Oracle database connectivity. One is a MySQL database connectivity. So one student parent, Dr. Madhusudan, professor and gynecology specialist and surgeon, of course, is the head of the department of Usmania Medical College. Afternoon came. After my 1 o'clock timing, is a government doctor, it seems. He's a big person. Came and his daughter is my class before 9 o'clock. And she selected in Chennai, Wipro, with a 14.0 as a fresher on Python with a data analyst. Her coding levels impressed like anything. And he is saying they came with grapes and all. Right? So I can't see their happiness, how much happy the doctor is. Is really feeling like, sir, I also listen to your class by sitting behind her daughter. She's a mechanical background. And she dislike the softwares actually. He's saying that words. She dislike the softwares. C language means she used to fear. But she is saying, sir, when your class starts, at 9 o'clock, she is ready with 8 o'clock itself, everything ready, room, laptop ready, notes ready, everything ready. So they themselves felt that how interested she got. So she said, so the class programming is like that. So say later, he also listened 1 or 2 times it seems. So later he thought of it. He want to develop some app to their medical sciences after listening. So, but what we should do now? Coding. If you start working, we will get like that. Fine. So, see, they come up with some grapes and he is saying, sir, everybody will come with sweet packet and all. We want to give you something different. As a doctor, sweets are not recommended. Some fruits are recommended. Fruits, sweets, all these things, that is different story. But getting the job, that is the ultimate satisfaction to the faculty. That is what we are looking at about it. So we can use, Ranjan, you can use anonymous functions also, man, no problem at all. You can use anonymous functions also happily. Are you following me? Because every anonymous function is also called what? one type of function. Okay, students, did you understand this integration process? Fine. So come to the point of it. So Brahmani, okay. Okay, ma, definitely. Most welcome to my class. You can come. So let us coming to the further discussion now. Shall I go to one more example? Like that, can you do by yourself an example? Write down now. Write a Python program. Students in the online, is this program is understandable? Is this program is understandable, students? Right. Very good. Nice. Good, ma. Write down. Write a Python program which will implement the following. Which will implement the following. Which will implement the following menu-driven application. Which will implement the following menu-driven application. Which will implement the following menu-driven application. Menu-driven application with modules. With modules. With modules. See, students, now you try to plan for like this. Of course, this example also I gave you as an assignment, but in the same program we did. And nobody will write the same logic, total big logic in the same program. We used to write in where different files we will write the coding. So project is not a single file. It is called what? Thousands and hundreds of files will be there. Right? So I am writing here area of different figures. Different figures. This example you already did with what? Match case. But today you are doing the same example with what? Modules you are going to do it. So there I am going to say one for what? Circle. One for circle, write down. Rectangle, write down this. Rectangle. Third is for what? Square. And fourth is for what? Triangle. Fifth is for what? Exit. Any more other shapes if you want, you can add that to your program and you can do it. Fine. Do this. Ma? Sys module. Sys module. You see sys module here. Yeah, sys is a predefined module which contains a function name called what? Exit. What is the purpose of exit? Exit function is used for stopping the program execution permanently, and it comes out of it. When you say exit, what is the meaning, ma? When you say exit means I want to stop my coding. So to stop my coding permanently, to stop the execution of my program permanently, I will use sys. Suppose if I say break, what will happen? It comes out of the loop. It comes out of the loop. I am writing here, hi Rosam. I am writing hi Rosam. When I say break, it is saying hi Rosam. But actually when I say exit the application, it is supposed to come out of it or not? Let us see the code. Let us see the code. Execute. Okay. Now I am saying 1, say 23, 43, got it. Enter your choice. Something 4. I say 2 and 3. I got the result. Floor division and then division. I say something like 6, 10 and then 4. 10 to the power of 4 is like that. Now I will say what? 7. When I say 7, what will happen? Break. Break means break is used to come out of the loop. Terminating loop and execute the other statements in the program. See that? Hi Rosam, thanks for using this program and saying what? Once you say thanks for using this program, no more statements to execute. That time I will write what? Sys dot. Come on, ma. Exit. Now you execute. Again you execute. Say, I say 2. I say 12 and 4 for 34. I say something like 3 and say 4 and 5 multiplication. I say next 7. When I say 7, it will kill the no more hi Rosam. It will just come out of the program without executing any further statements in the program. See that? Understand? Fine. Come to the programming. So I hope everybody is clear about the break and exit. Exit will terminate the program physically. Break will terminate the program logically. Comes out of the loop. Execute other statements in the program. Simple, ma. You will take a break and you will come to the class again. Exit means what? You are going to the company, not coming to the class again. Understand? Okay. Now, fine. So now I am going to this kind of logic. You take care, ma. Abhishek Sharma. What is this case one, ma? This I explained in the. That's what. When you get the conceptual doubt, you will get a very difficulty. Very difficulty will come. This is called which one? Default case block. Default. When no case labels are matching, it will execute this one. Abhishek, are you getting? Abhishek, are you getting that? Fine. So, fine. So you are Rocky. I told you that. So this is called what? Default case block we can call. This is known as what? Default case block. Where I was explained this? Where I was explained, ma? Match case I explained. Match case I explained. Are you understanding? Right. Right. Fine. So shall we go for the next? This one, can you do this? Can you take care of this? This one you try to implement. Okay, na? Now, like this, modules is not one day topic. It will be continuously going on. Shall I move forward? Now, another topic I am going to explain, which is also very, very important, that is called reloading the module. Reloading the module. Reloading the module. Very beautiful. This concept is also, I like it very well. You tell me, shares. Do you have any idea about the shares, share market? NSE, BSE. Shares are changing the price of the shares for every few seconds, for every minutes, seconds. Share values are changing or not? Having idea? Yes. So I want to go for reloading the module concept. What is the need of it? Actually, it is a very small concept. I will tell you little elaborated with discussion. Okay? Look at. I will take one example, ma. Take others. Now see. I am taking one file name. Shares.py file name. File name. And acts as what name? Beautiful. Okay, sir. DEF shares info. I am writing share name price. What is that called? Whoever says correct answer? Share name price. Sagar, very good. It is a dict. Shravani, very good, ma. Senapati, good. Key comma value pair. It is called what? Dict. The moment when I ask a question, I want to get the answer, ma. When do you get that? When you read continuously the notes, you will get that thought. Otherwise, problem. Come on. Say D is equal to, I take it. IT share is 200 rupees, comma. IT share is 200 rupees. Pharma share is 150, come on, next is called what, you know, automobile share is called what, you know, 50, come on, next is called what, IRCTC, okay, IRCTC is called what, you know, 50 rupees or 150 rupees or something like 75 rupees. Enough, ma. Enough. Right. I'm taking share name and then market value. Okay. Ranjan, telecom share and all those things. Okay. I'm not writing because we need to understand. Return D. Return D. What is D? Dictionary, which is having key comma value pair. Very good. Okay, sir. Very simple, sir. This is, say, sir. Very simple, sir. Go to that. Modules only come. Shares info. You save it, sir. Right. Come down to that. Now, I can't run this program. I will run this program into where? Some other program I will run it. Go to this place. Come on. Shares demo. Shares demo.py. Shares demo.py. Yes. Come on. Which function I need to call? Shares info. Okay, students. Main program I will write it. Main program I will write it. What is the main program? Shares info. Returning what, ma? D. Understand? Print. Print of D. Print of D. Just execute once. Just execute. You will get error or not? Yes, sir. Error will come. What is that error? Name error. Name error. What happens? Yeah. Out of that. Yes. PY. Shares demo. So I got it. Shares info is not defined. What should I do? Import. Go to the program, my dear students. Come on, ma. From shares, import shares info. Shares info. Import shares info. From shares, import. Import what? Shares info. Very good. See that, ma? Whatever the data you have, that is just printed. IT share, this one is printed. Okay, na? Yeah. Very, very easy. Let me present it clearly. This D data, I want to print something like a share name, share value. Like I want to print like a share name, share value. Like that I want to print. Okay, sir. How do you print, sir? Display of D. What is display? Is my function. Is my function, student. Tell me. DEF. Come on, ma. Display D. D. What is D? Dictionary. D is called an object. I am passing that. It is not necessary to take D. KVR I will take. It is a formal parameter after all. D values are stored into the KVR. Which type of mechanism I am following there? Which type of mechanism we have to follow? Very good. Positional parameters we are passing. Positional parameter. Yes, I am taking K. Okay. Come on, fast. Come on, fast. For K comma V, share name comma share value in K dot items. Do you know, students? Print of 50 to see my output good manner. Share name /T share value. Okay. Then next you see, of course, just only for good looking purpose I am writing. Okay, student. I say here else part of the for loop. Else part of that also I am writing like this. Tell me, I am saying that print of, okay, \T comma, what is this now? \T dot format of SN comma SV. Execute it and then execute once. Share name and then what? Share value. Are you okay? Okay. Fine, student. Go to this place once. If you feel that it is not in proper order to go for it. See that in our share market, if you see, there are different colors also coming. I can also display my data different colors. I can also different colors I can give you. How to give it, I will show you in the class. Don't worry. There is one module is there, Colorama. There is a module is there. I will install it. I will use it. Are you following? Yeah. Next, you see, my dear students, up to here it is clear. If you say green signal, I will go to move forward. Are you okay up to here, students? So what I got it? Shares is one file name. I am just calling into another program. We got Ganesh. What is your problem? We have to write now. What is this? We have to write a function now. We have to write now. What is that meaning, ma? Because day by day you are becoming more favorite for me. Did you understand that? Ganesh Verma, please come to offline, my dear student, please once. The green signal. Rocky, it is not green signal. It is some different color you are giving. Right. So after share info, okay. After share info, what happens after share info? After share info, display D. Display D means I am displaying that. So where is your doubt here? What is the meaning there? Where is this doubt? Share info only written. Here, this one, what is the syntax? What is the syntax of that? From module name, input function name only. Function name means not that braces. Different kind. So, coming to the point back. So, please try to understand. If you write like that, I am Ganesh Verma, I am thinking that this itself is a function name. Because what is the doubt you are asking? What is my technical knowledge? It is not mismatching. It is mismatching here. So we should not write here like that. Please take care by yourself. Come on. So if I say again and again these points, you may feel, I may feel. So first, if you want, you can come to my offline class once. Okay. Shall we move forward? Students, so come to the point of it. Now I am going to. Shall I move forward? Yeah. I will do after this case. See, again I will run it. This is my information. Okay. So this is the person who is viewing. This is viewed by something like Verma. This is viewed by Verma. This is the shares viewed by Verma. Meantime, when he is viewing, I will share the information about my shares. I am changing the information about what? My shares information, I am changing it. This is IT share is changing, pharma share is changing, something is changing. That changed things need to reflect back or not? Are you following? These changed details need to reflect back in where? Shares demo place, it has to reflect back. So how can you see that reflect back? How can I give that the difference of that pause time? Pause. When you are listening a song, somebody came, you will pause that song or not? There is nothing about you will make it to sleep for some time. So here what I am doing is, I do time dot. There is a module name called time. What is the module name? There is a function name called sleep of 10 seconds. Why I am taking the 10 seconds there? The PVM will be at line number 10 without executing the further statements. Time sleep is a function which makes the PVM not to perform the further operation until 10 seconds time is over. I will sleep night by keeping 5 o'clock alarm. Sleep of number of hours will be coming now. So from now, some time is there. That means person dot sleep of this much. When the time comes, sound will come. Am I clear? So don't tell that example. Sleep function is used for making the PVM to wait there without performing the further operation. See, come on to the point. Coming out from the sleep, your print. See, I will show you. I am coming out from where? Sleep. Oh, come on. Here I will go for it. Here I will give print. Going to sleep for how many seconds? Going to sleep. That's it. Going to sleep. Yes, please look at. Time is a module or not? Time is a module. I need to take it as what? Import time. Like a sys, FUNC tools, so many modules I will tell you. Understand, students? Very good, ma. Simple Python modules are dead easy to understand, students. Say, now see, easy. It's like a different funny event is occurring. Let us see. Going to sleep. Cursor is blinking for you. How many seconds? 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, it is come out. In this 10 seconds of time, my module is changed. Are you understanding? My module is changed, ma. My module is changed. See, my dear student, I am going to once again see. Now it is sleeping. In this 10 seconds, I will go to my module. IT share I will change. Pharma share I will change. Automobile I will change. Those changes, whatever I did, I have to come back or not? Yes or no? Yeah. Once again, I will execute. See, going to sleep. I'll go to my program. I will do. My share is called 200. Now see, still it is under sleeping only. After coming out of it, the changes are not coming. See, I will go to it. I will take her. Let it be. I'll go to my place. Here, how many seconds? So 10 seconds is too early. 20 seconds I kept. 20. I'm coming out of the sleep. I will call this function once again. Which function? Shares function. Of which module? What is this? First time I am calling. In this sleep time of your program, what is changed? My module is changed by opening in some editor. I changed that module. I changed that content. After I coming out of the sleep, I am calling that function once again. If I call, which data has to come? Updated data has to come. Modified data has to come. Yes or no? Yes. Execute once again. Just observe it. 20 seconds waiting. I will go. Happily, I will go to my program. Shares. It is called what you know, 1200. It is called 1500. 111150. Still it is under sleeping only. Comes out. Which data will print? Is updated data printed? No. That means I need to reload my module. Yes or no? Which data taking? Before sleeping, whatever is there, after sleeping also same data is coming. So you need what? Refreshment you require. Need to reload the module. Are you getting me? How to reload the module? Already you have imported the module. Which module you have imported, ma? That module data only getting. Old data module only getting. Whatever the module I was opened it in an editor, I changed it. That changed data not coming. For getting that, I do what? Reload. What is the function name? Of name of the module. What is the module name? Very good. Shares. Understand? Every predefined function belongs to what? Reloader. Every predefined function belongs to what? Online students will answer. Module. So, who is that first person answered? It's very good. Who is the first person answered? It is Sri Sai. Padala Sri Sai. Very good, ma'am. You need to say module. Every predefined function, every function belongs to the module. Because module is a collection of what? Variables, functions, classes. Reload is also called what? Module. module. Come on, go to that. Which module? This is belongs to IMP module. IMP. What is IMP? Don't tell important. Because you have original knowledge is there. What is integer? Great people they are called. Importer. Okay. Time and what? IMP. What is IMP? Predefined module. IMP important. IMP is what? Predefined module. That module contains which one? As on today, in the Python 3.10, IMP module is deprecated. Deprecated means what? Changed. Changed on another name. Suppose you are there. You started a business. You are getting slowly benefits are coming. You contacted one astrologist. He said, instead of this name, you add a double E, you add a double S. Some name you are going to add or not? Some numerology, something is some people will believe or not. So that means your old name deprecated to new name. So this IMP is deprecated to what? This IMP module is deprecated to what? Import lib. Import lib. What is import lib? Module name. New module name of what? So IMP module is deprecated in the favor of what? So what should I do? Python 3.10 will support, but it is telling to you in the near future, who is there? Import lib will be there. Who is not there? Okay. See, my dear student, I kept in any comment. Now you see. Go. Which data will come now? Which data will come? 1200 and what? 1150. Because I changed it. Now I am running my program from the beginning or not? Yes. Come on. Here you see. See, students. Okay. Going to sleep. Go to that. Happily go to the program. Shares you go. I will write 12 rupees. I will write 11 rupees. No problem. Save it. Go to sleep time. You will get one morning message plus data. Warning message plus data. Observe it. Yes, please. Come out of that. I am coming out of that. Come on. Name error. Shares is. What is happening? Shares is not defined. So coming to this place. Shares from import. I say shares dot. Shares dot. I say reload of what? Module name. Reload of. I say import lib. 1 minute ma, I will show you that. Import lib. Just for a minute. Import lib. Just for a minute. So coming out of that. So shares is not defined. I should say that shares is the one which is available. Shares dot shares info. Go to the place and say something like this. Come out of that. So some error is coming. Shares info, line number 19. Line number 19 error is coming. So import lib of what? Shares info. Okay. 1 minute. Import shares. So here I say shares dot shares info, and reload the module name, last and final ma. I say here shares info. So go to the place of this one, say something like this, say 500, say 700. So coming or not? Yes. Understand this? So it is this syntax. What is the data earlier? 182. What is the data I got it? It is 70, 700, 50, and this is what? So this is having certain syntax. What the syntax is? It is supposed to take the name of the module. Okay. After that, it is only supposed to work with what? Import. Actually, this is also any one of the syntax it has to work. But they gave the facility only with like this only. Shares dot what? Shares info. Like this you need to call it. Are you able to follow me? So what is the purpose of reload? Once again, I will go for it. Once again, last and final. Say, go to the place, shares. I say 1 rupee, 1 rupee. This is called 2 rupees. This is called 5 rupees. This is called 7 rupees. For example, go. Now I will get the modified information. Meantime, I changed in the external editor. I changed it. That modifications are coming or not, which is a very, very important in real time. Reloading the module. So what is the reload function? Reload function is used for getting the updations of the module's information. During my program execution, somebody else will open that module. They will do some changes. Those changes I want to get it. Those changes I want to get it. I said the word called deprecation. Na? You please look at that. IMP. I said. Here also you say what ma? IMP. Let me show you the word called deprecation. Let me show you the word called deprecation. Yes, execute. Going to sleep ma. Let's go to the shares. I say it is called 11. It is called 222. Enough. Execute. Let it be. I'm going to get a deprecation message. So sleep method, try to understand very regularly. I will use it. Am I getting or not? So this is called what is that? Information is coming like this. So IMP module is deprecated. Try to execute your system. You will be getting the word called what? Deprecation. So IMP module dot reload you can call. IMP import lib dot you can call it. Are you following me? Shall I show you the reload module? First of all, are you understanding importance of it? Simple ma. You are using my module. During your program execution, I am changing my module information. To get my module information, what you should do? Reload. Simple. I am using internet. I went for 10 minutes outside. I will come. I will say F5 or not. F5 is nothing but refresh. I will refresh it. Yes, come on to the point back. How simple it is. Concept you see. Reload module information I am saying. Just I prepared it for you instead of writing this again and again. Come on. To reload a module in Python. To reload a module in Python. We use which called what? Which is present in and it was deprecated in the favor of what? Import lib. Okay. Import lib. Come on now. IMP dot reload of module name. Or what? Import lib dot what? Of what name? Recommended. Because I need to take the current deprecated name. Okay, sir. Purpose or situation. Exact situation. Come on, students. Reload function reloads a previously imported module. Already imported in the first line. I am reloading again. Which module you are reloading? Previously imported module. Yes. If we have edited the module source file, shares.py edited source file by using an external editor, Notepad, anywhere else they opened it. And we want to use changed values or new version of the file loaded module. New version of reloaded module, they use which one? Reload. Understand? Good. Come on, ma. Same example, I take it here. Shares dot file treated as what name? So some technology says, some module says finance, something. Main program, please. Here shares demo.py, import shares, import time, import lib, display D. I just printed this formatting part. You see main program, shares.info, previously imported module. Okay. D, time.sleep, import lib.shares, reloading previously imported module, obtaining changed values of this previously imported module. So that is nothing but what? Come on to the point of previously. This is a comment line, ma. So I will take it. I will take this of previously imported module. Don't get confused by looking at this. Previously imported module. Display of what? D. Same program only, here only whatever is done. This one, importing D. Okay, now? Is a reloading module is understandable? So what do you understand with this modules concept? Easy to understand or difficult to understand? And this is a compulsory question in interviews. While I am doing my work, something is changed. When I am using that source in my place, somebody changed that source code. So to get that thing, I will say what? Reload. Reload is a function present in where? IMP module. It is deprecated on which name? Import lib. I can call with respect to that module name. Easier? Yes. Students in the online, did you understand, students? Did you understand, students? Fine. So, done. Here, Rocky, how can you write here match case? How can you write match case here, ma? Right. Rakesh Reddy. Super clear. Very good. Okay. Very good. Rocky, how can you use super case, match case here, ma? You cannot use match case here. Understand? Right. Tomorrow, I will tell you, this is called what? Modules concept. Extension to the modules, I will explain, students. See the index, ma, all of you. See the index of it. What is the index of it? You see purpose of module, definition of module, types of modules, and steps for development of module, and a number of approaches to reuse modules. Totally how many syntaxes? So programming examples on it, reloading the module, programming example on it. Anybody, any kind of module is coming, you can answer like anything. Extension to module, tomorrow packages, only one day. 2 lines. Sysr dot path dot append environmental variables. Everywhere you can access my shares info. Tomorrow I will tell you how to make my libraries as distributed anywhere else. You go to your native place, you can access my mission information. Provided you need to download like a Python software. Okay, na? Tomorrow most important class started at that too. So coming to the point of it, we are going to discuss what? Packages in tomorrow class. Okay, na? So don't miss tomorrow class. Tomorrow packages only one day because only 2 lines. How to do that? You need to listen the class. I will tell you multiple examples. Then Monday, exception handling will start. Exception handling, super concept that is. In real-time project, functions carried, modules carried, packages carried, data types carried, operators carried, functions carried. Exception handling. With all these things will come to exceptions. After exceptions, files, database, OOPS, NumPy, pandas, multi-threading, network programming, generators, iterators, closers, decorators. These many. We have to read daily to understand these many. Python is not Python what Amirpet people teach us. Python is different. Fine? Fine. So to enter all these things, we need to follow me. Right? If you go, you have to follow me. Whatever I am explaining, every topic in detail I will explain. All topics I will explain. Right? So Atish, pip I will tell you in the class, ma. Pip function, no. It is not a pip function. It is a pip tool only. I will explain Atish, I will explain to you. Don't worry. Pippu, I will explain to you in the class. Don't worry much about it. Ganesh Verma, what is, sir, I am not getting about share info after import present or not. So coming to the point. So to clarify the doubts of Ganesh Verma, I have to take very big things. See, Ganesh Verma, you are asking continuously the same thing. What you are asking? You are asking this part. Sir, after getting about shares info, this one, why you are bothering about that? You see my syntax. You see my syntax. Because syntaxes are very important in my class. You see, nodes, number of approaches to reuse modules. My notes is so powerful here, student. You see, function name, did I write like this? Ganesh Verma, you tell me first. Because at a certain stage, you should not get this doubt. Am I writing like that? Come on. Ganesh Verma, please reply, ma. So otherwise I will remove from my favorite student list. Quickly. Yes, sir. So I have to teach, I have to go for tuitions now. So Ganesh Verma, I did not write, ma. This one I did not write. Function name only. Function name only. Function name only, I need to go for it. What is the function name? I wrote it here. I wrote only function name. What is the function name? I wrote it. Shares info from import. From shares, import only function name. I should not write that braces. So, fine. Coming to that. So, Mahesh Raut, when my data science will start, you can get a mail from this, right? And Karishma Singh, I will give my number not at this stage, ma. Don't feel I am not busy. I am giving my number in the last few classes before I will give my number. Okay, fine. I will give that time number so that you can call any doubts or something else. Meantime, daily I am available with you. So daily I am available with you, na? So daily you will see me, I will see you, I will talk to you, everybody. So no need. So at that 75% of the time, I will give this. So like that. That is a Rosam number, that is. Guido Van Rossum number, that is. Fine. So anyhow, tomorrow we'll go for what? Packages. When I was studying, this much general intelligence was not there. Really, students, this much fastness was not there. You know, that time, I'm very clearly remembering, I'm a student of OU. In our class, 60 members are there. Of course, it's my personal point I'm saying. 60 members are there. Around, I'm remembering 18 girls are there. And rest of them are boys. Whether you believe it or not, 1, 2, 3 years, 2 years, first to 2 years, what is the names of the girls also we don't know. We never used to talk with the girls. Boys are separate, girls are separate. They won't talk to them. These people don't talk to them. They are different. You know, these days, how people will walk, I don't remember. But those days, girls are different. And those days means I'm talking about 20 years back. And when I see my education from different, like that situation was. Nowadays, totally different. I don't know how it is coming. Subject is less, trends are more. That's what. Modern technology, ethics are important. That is what I feel sometimes. That time, our girls used to come like this, books. Like that they used to come. These days, march fast only. Having single book and march fast. Like that. So I'm telling, the subject is so, learn modern technologies, modern subject, but ethics must be followed. Am I correct? Yes. So students in the online, am I correct? Right. Right. Fine, ma. Thank you. Right. Neeraja, yes, ma. Thank you. So you, okay. 10 years of experience embedded field. Yes, ma. Right, right. So, fine. Yes, ma. With Harish, I will tell you, ma. Actually, two courses I need to start. One is Django, one is data science. They are very big, huge demand for our classes because I'm fully connected with Python. Even actually, I came from Java background. From the last 10 years onwards, I'm teaching this Python. So one way I'm feeling that my Java has gone. So I left it. Up to last year, I used to take 3 Python batches, 2 Java batches. Now completely enter into Python, data science and Django like that. So anyhow, we will take care of it, ma. Based on your things, I will take care of it. Yes, Atish, 99.99% correct. What is that 0.1%, ma? Where I'm wrong? Huh? Sagar, definitely we can go for one video session, ma. Video session. All of us can see, like conference. Sagar, definitely we will go. Yes. Yes, ma. Neeraja, real-time project. Once I will tell you about the meaning of real-time project, ma. Definitely I will tell you that. So there is a lot more things to talk about it. I will tell you. So we want to see you, sir. Definitely, I will give my number and you can talk to me in video call also, no problem. Okay, not now, I will give you. Even cam is not there to my system. Otherwise, I would have been open my cam. One day I will bring my laptop and I can connect to that and we can see. No problem. So SAR is not important. SAR subject is important. Right. SAR is not important. Important, huh? SAR is not, SAR voice is important. I feel like that only. Right. So SAR subject important, SAR programs important, SAR commitment is important, SAR responsibility important. SAR is not important. Important, no. SAR important. Oh, okay. Right. Okay. Good. Anyhow, students, thanks for associating with us. Anyhow, tomorrow I will go for what? When I explain packages, you will feel, sir, it's like a real-time library you develop, sir. I will tell you. Tomorrow I will tell you password also. How to develop what? Password. If I enter the password, cursor will not move. I am entering, cursor will not move. But I am entering. It is evaluated. Security purpose I will provide. For that, what is there? Module is there. What is the module? Get pass. Say the name. What is the function name? Get pass. How do you import? Import get pass dot get pass prompt is equal to enter your password. I will enter. Right. So now, so tomorrow class I will go for what? Packages with the password I will give you. Don't become absent. Tomorrow Saturday, no weekends. That's what I said. Ethics are important. These days, this weekend, holiday end, that end, this end started. Once you started enjoying the weekend without getting the job, that's not good for a student. Okay, na? Fine. So I'll stop the class. Tomorrow class, I'll come back and I will explain packages. Right? Thank you, students. Good day.